Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Valorant gets stuck on the loading screen. Let's get started. The first fix is running Valorant as an administrator. Right-click on the Valorant icon on your desktop and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Now try launching the game again. If that didn't work, the next step is updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause issues like this.
First, press the Windows key plus R, type devmgmt.msc and then press OK. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab, click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update.
Press the Windows key, type Run and open it. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Find the Valorant folder, right-click on it, and delete it. Do the same for the Riot Games folder inside %local app data %. Next, navigate to the Valorant installation folder. Right-click the Valorant icon, select Open File Location and go up one folder. Open the Live folder and delete files named Manifest Debug Files and Manifest Non-USSF Files. If clearing files didn't help, try changing your DNS servers. Open Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click your active network, select Properties, and double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Change Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. If none of the above works, let's reset Riot Vanguard. Search for command prompt. Run it as administrator and type these commands: sc delete vgk and sc delete vgc. Press Enter after each. Restart your PC. Then navigate to your C drive. Open Program Files and delete the Riot Vanguard folder. If you're seeing an error that says close the folder or file and try again, it means Riot Vanguard is still running in the background. This prevents the folder from being deleted. To fix this, we need to fully exit Riot Vanguard. Here's how you can do it. First, click on the arrow in your taskbar to expand the hidden icons. Locate the Riot Vanguard icon, right-click on it, and select Exit Vanguard. You'll see a confirmation message. Press Yes to close Riot Vanguard completely. Now, go back to the Riot Vanguard folder and press Try again. As you can see, the folder has been deleted without any issues. If you face errors, restart your PC again and try. Finally, launch the Riot client. It will prompt you to install an update for Valorant. Complete the installation and restart your PC. Your game should now work, and that's it, guys. If this helped fix Valorant's loading screen issue, drop a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. If you're still having problems, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.